look. It's Christmas! That we have just woken up and we're about to start. I mean, we're not about to start opening the presents, but we'll have Christmas breakfast. We have Christmas kitties on the background. It's so cute. And we have all these gifts that we get to open this morning. I'm so excited. I'm wearing Caitlin's giraffe onesie because she has the Christmas one on. Oh, yeah.
She's a giraffe.
I'm a giraffe for today. And Yasmin has her snowman cookies.
Yeah.
Cookies? Yes, cookies and snowman onesie on. This will be my first Christmas in the US. Like I have said in my Christmas care package video, I've never spent Christmas far from my family, and this is actually my first time. Even when I was living here, I went back to Brazil to spend Christmas with them, so I'm actually very excited. I know the traditions are a little bit different. I don't know if you know this, but in Brazil the way we do it is we gather all our family, like every family member you can imagine, like your aunts and your cousins and everybody in one house, and everybody brings a dish and we have dinner at midnight. When the 25th comes, we are all having dinner, and then we already open the gifts in the early morning. So midnight or 1 a.m. we're already opening all the gifts and we're playing with them or like using them. And in Brazil, honestly, we play a lot of music, we dance, we celebrate until the morning comes. That's at least like what my family does. And I know in the US it's a little bit different because here you don't really do much for the 24th. Right?
No.
Yeah, yesterday we went to the movies and stuff. We just stayed up and talked, and basically we don't do much for New Year's. So why do I keep saying New Year's?
It's not New Year's.
We just chill for the Christmas Eve. In Brazil, honestly, when it hits midnight, everybody's open their gifts.
Oh my God. It's only two Ingrids. Boys, come here. This sweet one. Boys. Oh, you so excited? Bobo, what else did you get? Oh, we're really good at that. Oh,
Oh my god.
Whoa, what is this? Ooh,
I got this moisturizing shea butter bath bomb.
Oh
yeah, the rose that you bought.
He's so excited about his presents.
That's just what I need. The Hydro Boost.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My pink.
I can have these. I'm so happy.
That's gummy bears.
You talk to me about.
I have
Because I can't have chocolate because I can't have lactose, so they got this gummy bear so I can have it.
Oh my God, he loves.
I'm guessing this is a bath bomb too. Tea tree.
Yeah. Alcohol.
Have mojito, margarita.
Margarita.
Face masks. I love these. I think I'll do one of these today.
Oh, I got gummy bears.
Lip therapy. I feel like whoever gave me the Hydro Boost and lip therapy knew exactly
It was me.
what they were doing.
Okay, Cap.
I'm gonna use this right now.
So you might need a Halls one.
I know.
Did you like your stocking? Ingrid?
Yes, it's my first stocking ever. I gotta hold the lipstick.
Okay.
I knew exactly. I knew you wanted an eyeliner, and
Oh, I have vitamin C.
you have to see. It's so cute. Oh, you opened my gift too. Okay, this is. You have to untie on the back. Okay.
That works. Oh my God, I was needing that.
Really?
Yeah.
I tried. So do you know how they let you try on the store at the store? And then I tried these like on my skin, and I was like, these are so good. And then I thought immediately about you because I know you like your
I
skincare.
was literally talking with Debbie about it. And I was
What?
like, I need vitamin C. I don't have any vitamin C. And then she called me.
Ah, I can't believe it. And I didn't know that. Oh yeah, of course. It's an acai lotion, which is like a Brazilian fruit.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And it smells delicious. Did you smell it?
Yeah. I smelled it. I was like, this is so good.
Rumi, did you smell it?
I didn't even know what you got.
Lotion.
Oh my
And
god.
Karen got me this.
Amiga, look.
That's
where
so
your
cute.
mom got me.
Oh,
Oh, wait. Yeah.
I kinda had a feeling.
You know how hard it was to coordinate of who was getting what Tasha product?
I'm opening
Let
Caitlin's.
me help.
I'm opening at the same time. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. That's the one you wanted?
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's okay. What is that, Ingrid?
This is a Wet n Wild, the 40
I
palette.
figured those were the ones you wanted.
I'm gonna open
That blogger, she likes Casey too, right?
it. Yes!
Yeah.
Casey
Casey talks about
Yeah.
She talks about the
this? Really?
shows what
I wanna see what it looks like.
yeah. Open.
And I was gonna get a big palette.
Well, too bad, because I already got you a
No,
big,
it's
big
amazing.
palette.
Oh my god, look. I'm showing the vlog.
Wow.
And
Yes,
that's like
all
the
the
newest
colors.
one.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Caitlin.
Open that one.
Okay. Oh, yay! I need a new one.
It's white, trimmed in gold.
Wow.
So
Oh,
we
open.
know.
I want you to see it.
This is really important because Jess has an obsession with tea.
Yeah. And it has to be white.
Hey, now you can stop taking your phone into the damn shower.
What is that?
It's a shower speaker.
What are you on right now? Thank you, Rumi. Oh my god, this looks so soft. $1 million. What is this? Open, baby. What is this?
Oh my god!
What is it?
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's my Gucci belt! It's Gucci belt! Get out! Get out! I want! Give me my Gucci belt!
This is the one you wanted, remember?
My interlocking jeans.
She didn't want the one that is like, that everybody has it.
No, I don't want the striped one. I wanted these ones. Keep on to that. Because that's just all Gucci authenticity. Oh my god, it just not fit my face self. Oh my god,
Okay, now
Look at
give
this.
Give me one.
Well, too bad because your fiance already ordered it.
Woohoo!
Yep.
Yes, ring light.
And it has shading factors too, so you can change the color of your light. It has 3 colors you can change it to.
Like,
Don't fight it.
That is not regular.
It's not. It's not. This is the box.
Okay.
Oh, here's the scissors. Because I was kind of an asshole in wrapping. Oh, cut yourself.
Please be.
Well, it's not a proposal because you already proposed.
I was
No,
you scare
baby.
me with these scissors.
No, it's my present.
Careful, I'm gonna see
The puppy?
can you imagine? A puppy pops out.
Dead puppy.
these.
Oh my god, I think of the. Ah! No! It's
Look at it.
you and me, baby.
Look where we're at. And look where she's at.
Thank you, baby. I was like,
So when you were sending me those pre-sale stuff, I already had it.
I was gonna buy it. And then
I know, that's why I was telling
That's
Ingrid, I was
what
like,
I
make
feel.
sure she does not buy this.
Yes. I feel like Caitlin's always like that. When you're thinking about telling her to buy something, she has it already. Say hi.
Hey.
Hi. You guys, this is my boyfriend. He got me these gifts. Oh, yeah, you can show.
Yeah.
And I will
She's gonna-
open them right
Right
now.
now.
I'm so excited. Look at him. He's like, should be.
He's
So excited.
he's nervous.
Okay, I'll open this one first.
Yeah.
There she looks.
Kaylee's a really good rapper, so
Yeah, I purposefully put a lot of it.
I know. I'm like, why so much safe?
hi Jack.
Because I know Ingrid would peek.
No, I would never. So excited. Huh? I know. You're so. Wait.
she took a while to see what it is.
It's the Kylie Jenner. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
It's a palette.
Oh my god, I can't even open it.
She can't even open.
Baby, you did it. This is crazy. You don't even support the Kardashians.
I hate them.
I can't open. Woo! Okay.
I hate them, but I bought for you.
Baby.
That's true love right there. Show the palette here.
Baby,
Open.
Oh my god. The vlog's gonna see before I do.
Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty.
No.
Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh.
But I have
Oh
a.
my god. Oh my god, baby.
He's like, okay, yeah, like I know all of this.
Thank you. I'll be wearing this probably today.
Right now.
Right now.
Alright, so let me tell you the story behind it. Yes, I reached out to Amanda via Facebook. We used to be on Instagram. And I was like, what can I get Ingrid for Christmas? And she was like, when we went Black Friday shopping, she mentioned that she wanted the Kylie Cosmetics. So I was like, all right, cool. So I was gonna get the package. The package was the whole package, but it sold out. So she just sent me she just told me to get a few items from it, and I had got those.
Baby, that's so crazy because I tried getting the package because there was a bundle with everything that she had released for the holidays, and I tried getting the bundle, but it was sold out. And I was like, okay, I guess I won't get it. Baby, thank you.
It was sold out when I tried to get it too. I was gonna get it.
You tried.
Baby, I love it. Thank you. Wait.
Glad you like it.
Okay, I'll open the second one.
Not this one.
Hold on, let me see the box for a second.
Yeah, it's gonna be this one.
This.
Okay.
He's like,
Oh,
okay.
show them the
Oh, the Santa.
Santa. This is Quentin.
This is Quentin.
Oh, they got cats.
Yes.
Yeah, she has two.
The candy K set. Is that lip product? No, highlighter. Blush.
Every. Again, Kylie.
Kylie.
Now it has her face.
I think so too.
Oh, baby.
With makeup.
Oh my god. I didn't even show you. This is the blush and the highlighter. And it goes with my skin too. What?
I said, I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, look.
Look, which it has her face on it.
And then, what is this? Is this an eyeshadow?
I think so.
This is gonna last you forever.
Oh my god, baby. Yes.
Okay, you have to open the last one because the suspense is killing me.
Okay, I'll open the last one.
She's excited.
What did she say?
Suspense was killing her.
Yeah, so she has to open the last one because the suspense is killing me.
Oh, you, not.
I know.
Because this one's been waiting for a while
Okay.
since her birthday.
This is the last one.
Okay,
Don't
this is
shake
the
it.
last one. Okay, Quentin wanted to get me this for my birthday. And you wanted to send it to Brazil, but Caitlin
You'll see
convinced
why
you.
in a minute why that would have been a very bad idea.
So she's kind of pissed with us because she was like, I wanted it before. And I was like, shut up.
Well, Caitlin said you shouldn't put it in
You'll see why
the
in a
postal
minute.
system because, I don't know, you wouldn't get there or it would be too late.
Yeah.
Her face. Is she gonna cry like I did?
See.
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I called it.
I'm trying to guess it.
See, that would have been a
Oh,
bad idea.
I'm sorry.
To Brazil.
Baby! Thank you!
Show the camera. Show the camera to
Show the
the
camera.
show the camera to the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Now
it's
we-
the Mark II!
Now we
it's
are-
my favorite.
Now-
They have two.
I would steer him in the wrong direction.
This is my favorite vlogging camera. And if you don't know, I've been vlogging from my phone. And now I have a camera that I can vlog with.
Yes.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Baby.
That's why, did you
You
see?
did it.
The other day, she made a comment and you never noticed. She was,
What did you say?
because you were talking about my
You
camera.
were saying like learning how to use it, and I was like,
Oh,
well,
yeah.
you should.
And
Yeah.
then, because you were like, I don't know how to do this. And then Kaylin was like, you better learn. Because we knew.
Baby, thank you. This is so sweet. You're so sweet.
He's going to be here soon.
Very soon.
Chewy.
And we go out and get really drunk.
Yes. This is so sweet. Thank you for like supporting.
Oh, Mika. I'm going to cry too.
Today.
I'm gonna open it. Let me open it.
And then no camera
I
inside.
can't even see. No camera. The rock.
How long have you been thinking that I got you that?
Since Nicolas asked me, what camera do I need for a good vlog? And I'm like, Nicolas. Because then 2 days later, you're like, I was asking Nicolas asking your friends for gifts.
Damn,
Ideas.
I told him to be like 60. It's so crazy. I was literally just thinking that.
Oh, Jesus, I can't stop.
Like,
Are you crying?
Yes.
She's crying.
Okay, this is the camera.
Twinsies.
camera and the makeup.
I do. Wait, is it? It's not. Oh, I need like battery.
The battery, yeah. First impressions.
No memory card. Well, but thank you, baby.
You gotta get a memory card?
No.
I think-
I have one. I have one.
Yeah, it comes with
I
one.
have two. Then now
Some
I have one more.
assembly is required.
Yeah, but thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Now we are twins.
You're welcome, love.
Stop doing that.
Oh yeah.
You too.
I thought it was supposed to be like this.
Okay.
Well, says to Ingrid from
Open.
Open. This is from Kaylin.
That's
for
from me.
Jess, and then Ingrid is from me.
Who goes faster?
Uh-oh. Oh, it is finally. Yes! I've been waiting for this.
I've been torturing Jess with this.
Oh my god!
Jess has been wanting to be asked, and I've just been torturing her.
Yes! I do.
Let me see Jess here.
Oh,
Oh,
I will.
I will.
So we just didn't Harry Potter seniors because you know.
Yes!
You
It's
were
a
like,
passport.
don't get a
Harry Potter,
passport
so we just didn't Harry
case. And I'm
Yeah.
like, why?
Potter.
And you're like, Santa might bring you something like that.
Yeah. Oh my god. This was supposed to be here. Wait, it was supposed to be
Oh,
like.
okay, you're organizing it.
Wait, here,
Yeah, it's a little compact.
like this. I think so. Yeah. Like this, like this.
Oh. You guys are so cute.
They said yes before they opened.
I know, because both of them have been like watching.
I was wondering.
I know, but we wanted to torture
I
y'all.
love it. You did torture me. Good job.
Good job.
Look, will you
Are we
be
gonna
my
bring
bride?
these to the wedding?
Yes.
To the wedding?
Yes.
Maid of honor.
She never noticed.
And then I was like, bride. This doesn't say bridesmaid. She said maid of honor. That was my maid of honor.
You got some.
I'm screaming.
Are you gonna change your answer now that it's maid of honor?
I can't believe
That's some
it.
big duties.
Oh, I know.
Sure
it's a big
is.
responsibility.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at it.
We're gonna be wedding.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oops.
Y'all made the cut.
I made the cut. Maid of honor. I can't believe it. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
It's recorded. It's recorded. So she
Yes.
said yes.
I'm up to the task. Maid of honor.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Yay!
Cheers, you. You're bridesmaid and my maid of
Woo!
honor.
Oh, my flute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my flute. Woo! Oh, really? What time are we leaving?
I think as soon as we like clean and we told her around like 2 or 3.
Making eggs, gravy. We're celebrating with champagne because I just got asked to be the maid of honor and Jess got asked to be the bridesmaid and we're celebrating. Yes. Eee.
Hi, maid of honor.
Hi bride. Hi bride. We made this is a hash brown casserole, biscuits, bacon. Hi guys, it's later in the day and we're in the kitchen. We're about to make rabanada. Rabanada is a Brazilian dish that we always make on Christmas. Like if we don't have rabanada, then it's not Christmas. It's basically a deep fried. Yeah, I think my friend said it's basically like a French toast, and it is kind of like a French toast, but I prefer rabanada. And we put it like the bread and the egg and the milk, and then we deep fry it and put cinnamon and sugar on it. It's really delicious, and I know it's very fattening, but it's Christmas, and we're about to make that. We're going to we're going to Caitlin's, Yasmin's fiance's aunt, and we're bringing them a little Brazilian dish. So I'm really happy about that because I really like to show people more about Brazil's culture.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm really excited that we'll be able to like show them the things that we eat in Brazil because there's so much that is different between Brazil and the US about the way that we celebrate Christmas, and I just like to, you know, show them how we do it in Brazil. So yeah, let's make the rabanada. Ai, amiga. Depois aqui ele vai mandar o contrário. So we just put sugar and cinnamon. This is the last part, but we're prepping everything for when we start deep frying. We just go. We have all this set up right now. The bread, the egg, the milks, sugar and cinnamon, and this is where we'll put the rabanada.
You can just put here.
Amiga, é um e depois o outro, né?
choice Christmas, but I'll be